You know when you're here at the edge of the eastern side of Philippines and the Pacific Ocean is right there, hammering at the rocks, hammering at the shoreline. The sheer power and the noise, you can just feel it from here. To the port, to Catanduanes. I'm super stoked. That's gonna be our final destination. We're gonna make a base camp for a couple of days, surf, explore, island wipe, swim. It's gonna be the best time ever. A couple hours later, we couldn't get the 7 AM boat because it was fully booked. So it's 10:30. It's gonna be a 3-hour boat ride. Let's go. Right, we boarded the Roro, and I think we got an aircon. It's probably gonna be like a fridge. Yeah. Welcome to the fridge. So, how cold is it?
It's not too bad. It's perfect. Soft
Yeah, not a freezer.
It's not quite. If you go up to the front, I think it's cold.
Yeah. Wow, nice seats.
Yeah, there's a
Hey, how's it going?
Oh, I did it, man.
Just made it. By a fraction. Wow. Welcome to San Andres, Catanduanes. We have about 1 hour ride from here to our base camp. Oh! Did we just bump into him? Did we just bump into him?
Yes.
What the hell?
Unexpected.
Hello sir, good afternoon.
Good afternoon. Is it gonna fit my helmet? Let's see. Oh, it does. Thank you guys so much. What a welcome in Catanduanes. We don't know how the tourism officers knew we were here because we haven't told anyone. Things spread out quite quick, but we're driving through San Andres to the next town. We're gonna do a courtesy call and then we get to our base camp, so we can't wait, guys. I assume we're driving through the main town of Catanduanes. This is the university and traffic, so it must be the main town. I'm really surprised how many constructions and buildings and wide roads are here. Maybe there are more people living here than I expected. I mean, it's a pretty big island for sure.
Classmate ko siya sa AI.
It's a giant fry. One super fry.
Is that one fry or many fries?
Many fries.
Are you sure? Healthy stuff, guys. Healthy.
This is gonna be handy. I love using.
Courtesy call is done, and now we're gonna head off to our base camp. It's gonna take 1.5 hours to drive. Hopefully we can get there before the sunset. The boys want to dip in. They brought their surfboards with them, so we're stoked about that. I want to dip in as well with my freediving fins and try to film them a little bit. So yeah, I don't know what to expect. I hope it's gonna be an amazing ride. Let's do it.
Around bits or
Yeah. They just Catanduanes safe. A lot of security here. Like this is a second checkpoint where we stopped at. get to base camp before dark. And they were telling us it takes 10 to 12 hours to drive the whole island. That's how big it is. Woo! Look at that! We made it to the Barranca Pururan where we're gonna be staying. The views! It's so beautiful! Can't wait to pop up the drones and show you guys aerial shots of this stunning Catanduanes. I might just stay here a couple of days longer because I know there's a lot to see. How good is that drive?
So nice, man. How nice is that view?
The guys are so stoked to go out there and surf. I might join them or fly the drone. Cheers, Lita. This is our place. Wow.
Dude, this place is so beautiful. This place
Yo, hey boys.
What's up?
Oh, already got a drink.
No, this is water. This is for electrolytes.
The food is ready downstairs.
Is it?
Yeah. We got massive balcony, rooftop, 3 floors. The beach is like 10 meters away. Insane. This is my bed, bunkers, nice private room. This house is ridiculous. Yeah, and we're greeted with amazing food.
You guys ever don't want to sleep in ambush? Just come and sleep in my bed.
Wow. I left the boys because I want to go catch the sunset at a beautiful viewpoint. You know me guys, I'm all about those sunsets and sunrises. Waking up early. I stopped on the side of the road because I noticed the rays coming, bursting through the clouds right now before the sunset. The scenery is just unbelievable, so I had to stop here. Take a look at this. Another very cool thing about Catanduanes, we can see already the first impressions is that it's very untouched, very unspoiled. All the jungle, the vegetation seems to be very well preserved. There's not many places on earth where you can just see endless and endless of hills and mountains that haven't been cut down. And it's so nice to see it finally here. There was even some monkeys on the side of the road driving here, but I missed it, but Junji saw them. It's a good feeling to see that. What a view. Magandang gabi.
Magandang gabi.
Yeah.
Tagalog.
Yes.
Kasama mo? Sino kasama? Ano ginagawa mo?
Hey, I just learned one thing, that's enough. What did you get, Brad?
I got gummy worm.
Gummy worms.
What's behind your back?
Look what I got.
You can never go wrong with Skyflip. What's that? You tried it?
I love these. What are they called again?
Some places it's called suman or soup, and in others it's I don't know, because it's different.
Suman, I heard.
I was in Mindanao, like I can't remember what it was. They call it two-pig, but that one doesn't have like butter and stuff.
Oh yes, this one smells good. I love the ones with the coconut flavor.
Rinse her out. Where's the bathroom? There's fresh water there.
What happened, Mike?
Don't look at me, I'm hideous. We were biking back, and there was some water on the road, and I was back riding with Brett, and a little tiny speck of water just went whoop, up into my eye, and I was like, oh, that's gross. and just kind of brushed it a bit, and then 20 minutes later, I guess it wasn't just water. We don't know what it is.
But it looks, I think it's an allergy reaction.
Yeah.
That's why the swelling is.
It could have been a chemical, it could have been, I don't know, but we'll see. I was rinsing it for 20 minutes, so.
Yeah, he just did 20 minutes in the shower, washing it, even soap. But I also have some allergy pills, so he's gonna try that as well.
We'll give it a shot, see how it goes.
Keep you guys updated on that.
Happy hiking.
Thank you.
30 minutes hike. It depends upon the way you walk.
Oh, thank you so much.
Fast.
There you go, Mike. Get a stick. We arrived at the starting point of Burung viewpoint, and from here it's gonna be a 30-minute hike. It's almost 6 a.m. You know me, guys, waking up early. Me and Mike. I'm like a chicken manok. Viewpoint. It might be a little bit windy up here, but who gives a damn when you got the view like this? Mike is coming back. We're gonna wrap it up here in Burung viewpoint. What a stunning location. A little bit hard to fly the drone because of the wind, but hey, I think we got some pretty cool shots. Let's go to town, check up on Mike's eye, and get that sorted. Great shots, man. That was
good.
Awesome.
Burn a lot of calories doing that.
Nice.